Here I have LG K8 2017, and today I'm going to show you how to remove battery from this device. So to do this, firstly you have to remove back cover from your phone, and here you have battery, and you can remove it just like this. Here you have battery, here you have LG, so let's just put it back in and put back cover back on and turn our device back on too. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.